you've already done everything there.
Well, I'm there and settle and I'll come back from both of those up here.
I've got to go now, it's 4 o'clock, I've got to go and get tea ready for the children. What is the drive to go home?
Well, I can't open the front door because it doesn't open.
We've made a film generally about anxiety.
Come on, let's go, please. Well, I'm never going to get anything done.
And now we're looking more closely at a very time-specific version of it.
There are no children to collect.
It even has its own name. Sundowning.
It's that time of day where 5 o'clock comes, kids normally are coming in from school, people are coming in from work, you're busy. That early evening into the night, people become very unsettled, they want to go home, they're looking for their children, and this is the body clock that's kind of set in us from when we were in work.
Come and have a word. Kimberly's going to put all the children.
Hello?
Let's just
Okay.
You go to the
Right? Well, I want to see you all. Would Gigi come and get me from Daddy's? Yes, Gigi, could you come and get me from Daddy's? Can I come to and see the babies?
No, but
because we need to stay with Clive tonight.
because he needs looking after.
When my children went back to university, we could no longer manage to look after Mum and Dad overnight by ourselves.
There's no baby for you to look after because Kimberly's looking after them tonight.
We were very lucky to find an incredibly experienced, wonderful woman to come and help at night called Rose.
Stay with Clive.
Why would I stay with Clive?
Because
It's not the baby.
I'll see you in the morning.
see you in the morning.
How am I going to get home?
I'm coming to collect you.
Tomorrow,
Yeah.
She taught us the power of tomorrow.
I'll be here to get you.
All right, thank you. Right, let's get
When
you
I
changed.
get up, what do we do then?
We'll have the program tomorrow.
Normally, what I do is defer whatever is happening at that moment to tomorrow. And that tends to calm her down because she has something to look forward to, like, oh, she'll do it tomorrow, we'll do it tomorrow, the babies are coming back tomorrow, and it works.
Keeping Mum calm and relaxed in the run-up to sleep is one of her special skills. Innovation is another.
Yesterday, I discovered another new trick. I rang my own number downstairs and answered the phone from upstairs, and we had a conversation on the phone over the babies and when they're going to come and everything, and it worked. She wrote everything down for the next day, and that's how the episode ended, because now she was ready to see the babies the next day.
What time do we get up?
I'll wake you up at 9.
You let me know. Your hair's beautiful.
She wouldn't remember. Next day is another chapter. We move on to the next thing.
What nationality are you? Are you an actress? Shouldn't be. Teach me how to be happy and beautiful. Teach me how to be an actress. Will you? Tomorrow, always. Tomorrow.
Rose's mirroring of Mum's movements and voice levels is definitely worth remembering. As is the importance of doing stuff.
In terms of meaningful activities, one thing I would recommend to people is to have a look at Teepa Snow's work.
Teepa Snow teaches a positive approach to care. I went on one of her courses and realised that if you could combine her training with seeing what it really means to live with dementia, we could make great strides in supporting carers and families to cope better with the challenges involved.
We're drawing now.
Should we do some drawings?
Eh?
I think it'd be fun if we all did some drawings.
She will do tasks like, now and again she'll do the hoovering, she will do the ironing under supervision, but she's do it for as long as she wants to, and then so it's a short attention span, I suppose, is what it is.
Right, Granny,
My daughter Cara found a box of holiday souvenirs. Sorting a pile of lift passes kept Mum occupied for quite a while.
I had one lady living at home who had carers, and her daughter bought a load of toothbrushes, and every day this woman, particularly when it was the afternoon when she started to get unsettled, she would sort the toothbrushes out into the same colour with elastic bands. This woman loved doing it. Cleaning shoes for men. Baking, making dough. I got one lady living at home who made Welsh cakes the other day, and I had Welsh cakes off her. And when I did the memory test on her, she actually scored a little bit higher than she had previously. Gardening, ironing, anything.
Take the pencil there.
Thank you.
And draw whatever you want.
Let's just talk about it for a minute then. What is the thing we're aiming for?
What is the theme of our art piece?
Right.
Anything at all is a meaningful activity, something that somebody does with an end product that they can see they've done something and that they've been a part of something.
We've learned to try and keep things calm and quiet when we want Mum or Dad to focus on something, especially towards the end of the day.
If there's too much activity, that can have an adverse effect as well.
They're attending to lots and lots of things going on, lots and lots of stimulus is happening, things that aren't there are being processed, things that are there are being processed you don't need to. It's physically exhausting.
If I can see a patient who is getting a little bit distressed, I can see the environment is a bit busy. We have like 3 other quiet rooms, we call them. They're all different, where we play some soothing music, do some massage, it just calms the patient.
For a while, you could set your clock by Mum packing things up mid-afternoon and then hiding them. Emptying the shower tray was like conducting an archaeological dig.
Hiding food could be because particularly children have either been through the war or born at the tail end of the war. Well, they remember rationing right up to the 50s. My mum was still telling me about the first time she saw bananas and could have sweets again and sugar and stuff like that. So maybe there is a bit of fear there, resentment. It could just be that she's feeling anxious about something and that makes her feel better.
It's hard to keep that generous sense of perspective, though, at the end of a long day. Take the case of the red bag and the vanishing pyjamas.
Just took a red bag out of here. A carrier bag. Where did you put it?
Oh, I didn't put on it.
Yes, you just had the red carrier bag with his new pyjamas in it. Definitely.
Will it be downstairs?
Okay. Maureen, have you got my pyjamas?
Well, I'm looking for pyjamas in the red bag. I've never seen a red bag.
It's brand new pyjamas that you've taken out of here and put somewhere. Ah, here, got them. Got.
Oh, is it?
Here, you see, remember we got these?
Right, yeah.
But we have to try him in these.
Right.
This will fit, but I don't know if these will in
Well, those are usually, but I haven't seen them and I didn't buy them.
No, we bought them this afternoon.
Oh, right.
Betty's partner, David, had a specific fondness for a pair of secateurs.
Now, he never been a keen gardener, but somehow or other, he just wanted secateurs. And so he carried these secateurs around with him all the time. And I think he would have taken them to bed had I allowed it. I don't know whether he thought that he was hiding them, but he would put them behind books on the shelves.
I'll just go up the stairs and you'll find Clive up there. Okay?
Up here?
Yeah. Yes. He would love to say good night.
Can you up and see him?
Yeah, he'd do.
Do you want to give that a bit of money now?
Okay, so which one's the best?
If we come out, I've given you an extra bit.
With the support of the secondary care mental health team and our GPs, we use medication to try and reduce the distress that Mum feels so strongly at the end of the day.
Well, could you just open that door and let me try and get the keys? If I had. Because if I haven't, I don't know what I'm going to do. Please. Calm down.
It's a big topic for another film, but it's allowed us all to cope at home through the COVID pandemic.
Without food for the children. Well, we're all fed. You don't worry about them. They've all had their food. Will you be here? Yeah. I'm here with you always and forever.